You just landed in America. No credit history, no credit card, no score. Banks won't trust you, landlords will reject you, and nobody tells you why. Today, Blueprint Nation gives you the exact blueprint to build your credit score from absolute zero. Welcome back to Blueprint Nation. Hand you the blueprint that successful people keep to themselves. I'm Zaras, and today we're talking about the one number that controls your entire life in America. In America, your credit score is 300 and 850. Below 580, you're invisible. Above 750, banks will beg you to take their money. This number decides if you get an apartment, a car loan, a mortgage. Even some jobs check your credit score, and when you first arrive, your score is zero. Not bad, zero like you don't even exist. So here is your exact blueprint step by step. Step 1, get a secured credit card. Walk into any bank, Capital One, Discover, Bank of America. Tell them you want a secured card. You deposit $200 to $500 as collateral that becomes your limit. Use it for small purchases, only groceries, gas, nothing big. Step 2, pay your full balance every single month, not minimum payment, full balance. This is the most important rule. Late payments will destroy you. Step 3, keep your usage below 30%. If your limit is $500, never spend more than $150. This is called credit utilization. It counts for 30% of your score. Step 4, become an authorized user. Ask a friend or family member they won't it to add you to their card. You don't even have to use it. Their good history becomes your history. Step 5, never apply for too many cards at once. Every application hits your score. Call one, focus on it, build it. Now let me give you a real timeline. Month 1 to 3, you open your secured card. Score starts appearing around 600. Month 4 to 6, you pay on time every month. Score jumps 50 to 680. Month 7 to 12, your consistent score hits 700 plus. Banks start offering you real credit cards. Month 12 to 18, score reaches 750. Better apartments, everything. Yeah, 1 year of discipline, and America starts treating you like you belong here. Footage, stressed person, rejected application, missing even one payment, Shetkin huge damage. Maxing out your card every month, applying for 5 cards in 1 month, closing your oldest card. Age of credit matters. Avoid these 4 and you will be fine. This is not complicated, it just requires consistency. America rewards people who show up every month, pay their bills, and follow